Cardiff Bay, formerly known as Tiger Bay. This dockland area grew into a cosmopolitan community with seafarers from all around the world, making Cardiff their home. It is estimated that people from at least 50 nationalities settle here in the area. Due to the rapidly increasing iron and coal trade, a number of docks were constructed during the 1830s. On the eve of the First World War in 1913, coal exports reached their peak at over 13 million tonnes. At this time, the international price of coal was struck in the Coal Exchange building, and it was here that the world's first £1 million deal was signed. After the Second World War, however, demand for coal slumped and international markets were lost as other countries developed their own steel industries. And by the early 1980s, Cardiff Bay had become a neglected wasteland of derelict docks and mudflats. The late 1980s, however, saw a new influx of refugees from conflicts around the world, and the 90s saw the birth of a new era of leisure and business. Completed in 1999, Cardiff Bay has created a 500-acre freshwater lake with 8 miles of waterfront, and it is hoped it will stimulate the future development of the bay as a tourist and leisure destination. So today I am in the Bay area of Cardiff, and I just thought it'd be fun because the place has got a lot of history to see if any of the apps, maybe GhostTube or GhostTube Seer, can pick up anything around here. Now it is currently about 6 o'clock in the evening here. I did come out last night, however I've been chased by a wasp. However, there are quite a lot of homeless about, and they were just asking for money and stuff. I mean, I'm not even joking, probably about 6 times within an hour, which doesn't put me off about the place in general, because it's a great place. No matter where you go, you're going to get the homeless, unfortunately, and I do feel bad, but you know, it is what it is. But I thought I'd come out at this time. Allegedly spirits are around 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so let's just get the GhostTube up and see if anything wants to come out. Right, so you probably noticed I've had a bit of a change of clothing, and that's because it's been, since you last saw me, it's been about 18 hours, and yeah, I'm going to just take a little bit of cover because it's been non-stop rain. Yeah, so I'm hiding literally under a pier. I'll just flip you around and let you have a little look. And that's where I am. It is absolutely just rain, it's just constantly. But anyway, I'll do what I was going to do, and that is the GhostTube. And so let's just have a little tickle of that. So the rain's coming down quite bad now. In fact, I'm going to just head back to underneath the pit. So, but I've got the GhostTube running anyway. My God. Yeah, it's pretty bad. If there are any spirits here with me now, can you stop the rain please, because it's freaking annoying. So I'll just stop recording for a moment because there was a few people underneath here. It is still raining like really bad. When I left my room it was just a slight drizzle, but now it's, yeah, heavy wetness. But we've still got the GhostTube running. Now obviously this whole area where I'm standing now, it was all like a miner's town. This was sort of the main docking area for loading and I presume unloading. I would have put the history in right at the beginning of this video. What the hell is that? Someone's obviously going over this little pier thing. Above me actually is like a cafe, if you like. So I've had nothing come through on the ghost tube as yet. There's rain dripping down the back of my
Iron.
Iron. Iron was one of the things that they actually did. It was iron and coal. I'm being really tripped up. Iron and coal. So iron coming through is really interesting. I've just looked down and I've just spotted something. Now, I'm not going to go in on them. I didn't actually realise, unfortunately, but these locks normally symbolise the death of somebody. I am going to have a look at one, but not put it on camera. Oh, maybe not.
It's warm.
It's warm.
Do you know?
Do I know what, Spirit? Do I know it's warm? I guess it is warm. Okay, so I've just had a look at some of the locks and no, they're not. It's basically, it's symbolised couples who have been here. They've just put their names on. Some of them say engaged. So yeah, they're not what I thought it was. I think them guys are crazy. They've just come back from an excursion on a boat. I'm not being funny. I love a boat ride, but I can't think of anything more terrible. So spirits, if there are any here, this used to be a mining town. And I can only assume, with what you said, you are here, or somebody is here.
Hanged.
Does that say? Hanged? Were you hanged here, Spirit? So iron is really the only word that's come through at the moment that has any relevance. There's got to be somewhere better to stand. Even though I'm under here, it's dripping badly from the... Whoa, okay. I literally put my hand up there. The EMF, electromagnetic field, went off. And as you can see, there's literally nothing here, so there's no reason for the EMF
You can't understand.
I can't understand, Spirit. Okay, so why did my EMF go off then? When there's nothing here to give off EMF. Alright. So just by standing underneath this little... Look at the drips coming down off that. That's really unusual. So I've been standing underneath this pier thing. Great, did you see that just land on my head then? I've been standing underneath this pier thing for about 20 minutes now, and the rain is just not letting up. So, how have you all been? Let me know in the comments below. it's really quite important, if you can, to hit the like button. If you are watching this and you like any section, just to hit that like button. It's also good for us if you can leave a comment, even to say that was good, or nice one for standing in the rain like a twonk. Don't know what to say. Now that over there, just there, now that was one place I actually wanted to take you guys. Hopefully I will do in a minute, but that is a shrine to a fictional television character. This whole area here, well, mainly I don't know if you can see it, but well, I can't see from here, but I'll show you. Just, oh god, it's going down the back of my neck. From the television show Torchwood, which is a spin-off from Doctor Who, this was the back entrance to the Torchwood headquarters. I am getting absolutely soaked here. So yeah, I was going to see if GhostTube will pick anything up from there. Do you want? Well, let's just go and we'll have a look. God, I feel like I'm standing here. I feel like Otis Redding, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the ships come in. Oh god, I'm not staying here to watch it go away again. Fucking hell. So I'm still here, getting wet, and I said I wouldn't, but because I'm still here, I'm watching the boat go away again. In fact, I'm watching two. Oh my god. Stop raining, for God's sake. Right guys, so this rain is not going to let up. So I'm going to just do it anyway. I'm going to perform a little experiment to see if the GhostTube does actually listen. So I'm going to go over to the shrine for that fictional TV character, and I'm going to put the GhostTube on, and I'm going to ask questions as if this was a real person. Luckily I know a little bit about the subject matter. I'm a fan of Torchwood and Doctor Who, so I'm going to go over there with the GhostTube app activated and see if any answers that come through are associated with the location of where we are and the subject matter. We'll try it, see how it goes. This rain is not... I'm getting a lot of EMF, but there is a lot of iron round here. I do believe there's a lot of iron round here. So spirits, I'm trying to communicate with the person whose shrine is here. You see in the TV show that was the main door for the characters. I'm trying to communicate with this person, spirit. Sorry, just wiping the lens there, made it worse. Let's just give it a wipe. Sorry guys at home. So is anybody here? Do we know whose shrine this belongs to, spirits? I'm trying to communicate with this person. Does this person really exist? Are they here with me now? Now this is all iron here, so I wonder if the EMF will go off there. No.
Monster.
Monster. That's quite ironic because in the TV show they actually did fight monsters. And this guy died from an alien invasion. I know, it's a bit not exactly paranormal, but I'm just trying to prove a point when it comes to the ghost tube. The spirit, if there are any spirits here, can you please come forward and give me some more information about this person's shrine I'm standing next to now? Guys, if this doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what is. What does, should I say? It's torrential. I am getting absolutely soaked. So spirit, come on. If there are any here, please come forward.
Wand.
I want you to come forward, yes, if you can. I mean, bearing in mind it is a fictional TV character. A lot of people were fans because they've left all these pictures and flowers even for a fictional character. I find it bizarre, but I also find it quite nice that people have comfort in their favourite television shows, and you know, the part of me does find it a bit weird, but the other part of me thinks it's cool. People have got something they can focus on and believe in, and that's the way the world goes about, isn't it? People having a passion, that's the word I'm looking for. And if these people want to put something here, pay respects for a character that I really loved, then so be it. Wouldn't do it personally, but hey, good on you. If you've left anything here and you can play. Okay, if anyone is watching this and left something here, Yanto Jones, a character on the TV show Torchwood, good on you. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this shrine. My phone is getting absolutely soaked. So before I go, I'm not even sure what the picture quality is like, because before I go, I am going to stand underneath this pier again and dry off. Okay guys, so I've cracked out the ghost tubes here. I'm going to just see if anything picks up on the sear that has anything to do with, obviously, the location. I'm back under this pier thing again. Okay, so I'm getting the image already. Okay, so we've got several skulls and just weird. So spirit, can you? I don't even know what that is. So spirits, if there are any spirits here, that's just weird. I'm sorry, but I'm being dripped on, sorry. If there are any spirits here with me now, under this bridge, I'm like a troll. If there are any spirits here under this bridge, can you maybe come forward, give me an image of any of the history of this bay area, of this city, or anything that happened here in the past. Maybe you could give me some more information about Yanto, or who put these locks here, and for what reason. I know what reason, but I'd like you to tell me if you can, Spirit. So if there are any spirits here, this is an ample opportunity for you to come forward. Okay, so I'm getting another image here of wasps or bees at a window. Wasps or bees at somebody's house. Not sure what that means. You put a lock here because you've got a wasp infestation. See, it's just dripping off me, and I'm under a bloody here. Okay, so I'm getting absolutely soaked. So I don't know what to do now. Ah, that landed. Did you see that? It went right in my eye. I need a like for this. Let's finish off back again with the normal ghost tube, I think. I've literally just turned back now to standard ghost tube. Because a word came through earlier. Iron. So the spirit that said the word iron earlier, were you a miner here? I don't mean a small child under the age of 18. I mean a miner. Did you mine anywhere near here? Did you come on a boat here maybe? Did you work in these docks back in there? I wanted to make a video for you guys because we've not made many over the past few weeks, and there are different reasons for that. But I thought doing this little one for you might actually be a bit interesting. Bit of history of where I am and a little bit of an experiment. See, that's the EMF again. It could be in that side. There we go, guys. So we've just debunked the EMF. So that's obviously a what do they call it? A thing that's holding the thing in place. And it's obviously made of iron because it's giving off EMF. There we go. So that's why I was getting some high EMF. But that doesn't... I got a lot of high EMF down here, didn't I? So let's put my hood back on and let's just go and... See, it's doing it again. High EMF.
Fireplace.
A fireplace. Not sure where you're getting that from, Spirit. The high EMF readings are coming from... See, it's not doing it now. So let's turn back. I'm more or less in exactly the same position I was earlier. Now it's not giving off any EMF readings. Alright.
Marie.
Marie. Hi, Marie. That was a duck, by the way, not somebody with a tiny trumpet. So, hi, Marie. It's a pleasure to meet you. What was your job, Marie? Did you work round here? You still here, Marie? Don't think Marie's still here. So what I'm going to do is probably just head back to my my little flat that I've rented out for a few days. Marie, still here? Under this here. Now, a couple of you may be thinking, why hasn't he got a coat?
North.
North? You came from the north, did you, Marie? North Wales? The north of England? Scotland? Norway? Scandinavia? That's all north. Can you give me an exact location of where you came from? Please, Spirit. So, as I was saying, you're probably realising why I haven't got a coat on. The reason I haven't got a coat is because it's been really dry before I made the journey here, and even when I got here it's been really dry and relatively warm, and I didn't think I'd need a coat. Clearly, memo to self, bring a coat. Just swapping hands, because I'm near that thing again. So whereabouts north did you come from, Marie? Were you the one responsible for saying the word iron? Sorry if the camera's shaky a bit, guys, but...
Pilot.
You were a pilot? It's unusual, it's not. Unless it was a seaplane.
Fire.
There was a fire here. Did you die in that fire? Or did the pilot crash a plane near here? What do you think about this, guys? Let me know in the comments below. So, it's still raining. It's very wet, damp, moist. I'm here anyway. So, oh, hello me. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm sorry it's not a better video for you guys today, but I wanted to get something out there for you, something a bit different, and perform a little experiment. Got a couple of interesting responses off the ghost tube. Now, just for record, I don't state that the ghost tube is real paranormal evidence, but it's certainly interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And we are going to be investigating the child on the commute. You know, the child who has been spotted on a few occasions on the commute. That was put a vote up on the community page. If you're not familiar with that, on the main 3 Spires Paranormal YouTube page, there's a community tab. If you click on that, there is a vote. Feel free to still vote now if you want to, but as it stands now, the child that's been spotted, to the point where the police have been involved, that's going to be our next investigation. Can you believe it? I think the rain's about to stop. No, it's not. It's starting again. Oh, God damn it! But so I've literally just come back from doing that investigation in the pouring rain, and I've left my balcony doors open. Oh my God! Rookie error, bastard.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?